So we have received this iPhone 11 Pro Max. Come closer, I will show you. As you can see, the back glass has been completely got shattered, right? See, this is an original iPhone 11 Pro Max back glass. So we have to replace this to this mobile phone. So come, let's go to our technician and try to fix it out. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max is ready, as you can see. So the back glass has been replaced, as you can see over here. Okay, so if you also have such kind of problems like back glass broken or display problem or battery replacement, then you can come to us. We will give a best service.